Spent days and nights right here thinking about the meaning of life and love and why my heart is beating. In the moments where I find my point of view are the moments where I think of you. Sitting by the window, I see you at the stairs. Can I meet you in the lobby? Do I even dare? I waste all of my time, so what's another day? Will we even remember this? Is it too late? 'Cause I'm not ready to make a move. My heart's unsteady every time I think of you. 'Cause I'm not ready. Call me a fool. You know that when you hear these words, they will ring true. 'Cause I'm not ready to love you. I lay awake at night and think it over, wondering if you're doing the same. 'Cause the words we spoke back then could have two meanings, and I don't even know which one I'd like to take. Sitting by the window, I see you at the stairs. Can I meet you in the lobby? 'Cause I'm not ready to make a move. My heart's unsteady every time I think of you. 'Cause I'm not ready. Call me a fool. You know that when you hear these words, they will ring true. 'Cause I'm not ready to love you. Think it's time I made up my mind. 'Cause I still think about you all the time. And I wonder if I get the chance to tell you all the things that I never said. 'Cause I am ready to make a move. My heart's unsteady every time I think of you. 'Cause I am ready